Okay, Chapter 12, Solids and Modern Materials. This first section is titled Friday Night Experiments, the Discovery of Graphene. We'll talk a little more about graphene later. I'm not going to test you on this section, but I think it's good to talk about briefly because it illustrates a little bit of what science is actually like. So, back in 2010, not that long ago, Gaiman and Novoselov were awarded the Nobel Prize in Physics for the discovery of graphene, which is a new form of carbon. It's the strongest and thinnest material known. It's only 1 atom thick. So you really can't get any thinner than that, can you? It conducts heat, conducts electricity. It's transparent. You can see through it. And it's completely impermeable to all substances. Now, since it's pretty new, it has not worked its way into, consumer products or anything, but you can imagine that this is going to have some pretty cool uses, right? How did they discover this? Were they looking for a new form of carbon? No. They discovered this during what they called Friday night experiments. So during the week, you've got your grad students and you're doing your work and you're studying your thing, right? Friday night, you kind of kick loose. You don't go to the bar, you go to the lab, and you just do some stuff that's not really related to anything you're actually studying, working on. Lateral ideas, things going off to the side. Just, random ideas like, hey, I wonder about this, let's try this. Most of those ideas that they had, complete failures, nothing came of it. But one of them led to a Nobel Prize. And that's how science works sometimes. You call them happy accidents, but they're not actually an accident because they are investigating different ideas. And in the course of doing that, you sometimes discover some pretty cool stuff.